Hello, I'm Bryn, and this is my channel Burbex. For people who've been watching my channel for a long time, you know that I'm an urban explorer here in China, and that you might also know that I've lived in China for about 20 years, and I've lived here in Shanghai for about 8 years. And actually, my 8th anniversary of living here in Shanghai is coming up quite soon. I've lived here 8 years. I get a bit sad, because a lot of the stories which I think are most interesting about Shanghai and China are the ones which just seem to get swept under the rug by the algorithm. And I think recently I've been paying too much attention to satisfying the needs of this soulless beast, the algorithm, which just tries to pump out as many watch hours as possible. It's been a bit soul crushing for me actually, because my views have dropped off a cliff. They've gone from like 5,000 down to 3,000, now to 1,000, and now it's getting down to like less than 500. And it feels like the more I work to improve my videos, the fewer views I get. Everything I do on this channel is made by myself. I'm not sponsored. Everything you see here, every video I make is made by me. I don't get sponsored. I don't get paid. And for those of you who think you can make a good living from YouTube, you're wrong. I probably get paid about $1 for 1,000 views, if that. Many of the videos I make are not promoted by YouTube. It doesn't get spread around. I don't know why. I just get ignored. And many times I've thought, hey, I'm going to quit YouTube. I don't want to share my videos. I don't want to share my stories with my audience anymore. If YouTube is not going to spread it, why should I bother? But for some strange reason, I still keep persevering because I have faith that the stories and the locations that I share are good places. And I think the quality of my videos and the content of my videos is at least as good as some other popular channels which have got millions of views. I'm not here begging for you to give me more views. I'm just telling you how I feel. I'm going to release another video. In fact, I'm going to record it right now, and you can go and watch this video next. It's about an abandoned nationalist mansion from the 1920s, which I've been obsessed with for about the past 8 years. Basically, since I moved to Shanghai, I've been obsessed with this building, and it was one of the first places that I really explored. There's all kinds of interesting facts about this place. It's got all these feng shui markers in it. It was previously home to the Red Swastika Society, which was a charity, and later it was taken over by the communists and carved up into communist apartments, and now it's going to be completely demolished and the whole area will be turned into like some skyscraper park. So if you're interested in that, go watch that next, probably up here somewhere on the right. If you enjoy my videos, do me a favor, leave a comment. Just hit the like and leave a comment. You have no idea how much that helps me with the algorithm. No idea. At least 95% of my viewers who watch my videos do not leave comments. I've got some really great viewers who leave comments all the time. Dusty Miller, that's one of them. I recognize his name. I think he's actually my top commenter. Thank you, Dusty Miller. I really appreciate your input every week. I'm going to go and make that video now. You can see that, so go and watch that. I hope that you all appreciate the videos that I make. I put a lot of blood, sweat and tears into these videos. It's kind of a bummer that I don't get more views. C'est la vie. Okay, I'll see you all in the next video. Let's go.